Hello Dnation and welcome back to a Christmas special unbox and review episode. In today's episode, we're going to be unboxing the 2008 Harley Davidson FLSTSB Crossbones Sandstorm Variation, which is a licensed premium 118 scale diecast replica motorcycle manufactured by Maisto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Welcome to Dnations Christmas Special. Before we begin today's episode, I want to take a few moments to announce our last week's Christmas Special giveaway winner, and the winner of this premium diecast motorcycle is Anthony Netto. So kindly DM me and I'll send this across to you at the earliest. Merry Christmas and have a good one. And don't you worry, I'll be giving away a couple of more premium 118 scale Harley Davidson replicas for the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned till the end of this video to find out how you could also get one for Christmas. So moving on with today's episode, the packaging of this premium motorcycle is a licensed Harley Davidson affiliated window type boxing with all the product branding and information manufactured by Maisto. So let's take a look at this premium boxing before we crack this thing open. And with that out of the way, and as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. To begin with, this model is a licensed product of Harley Davidson, and this motorcycle is an amazing diecast replica which looks quite premium and has a good build quality to it, and also has quite a bit of detailing to it as well. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic, which makes this a premium collectible. This model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 1.5 inches in width, and weighs in at about 130 grams. This model also comes with spot-on paint apps and branding details, and has free rolling wheels, excellent suspension, and a lot more that makes this a premium collectible. And with this model, you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector, hobbyist, or even a Harley Davidson enthusiast. And so with that being said, now let's take a closer look at this amazing bodywork and exteriors of this premium diecast motorcycle. Well, I'm really amazed with the attention to detail on this motorcycle, and it gets a massive thumbs up for the exterior. So now let's place this diecast beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium diecast model. And so with that being said, let's place this amazing motorcycle replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Harley Davidson is an American motorcycle manufacturer founded in 1903 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. It was one of the two major American motorcycle manufacturers to survive the Great Depression, along with Indian motorcycles. This brand has become one of the world's largest motorcycle manufacturers and an iconic brand widely known for its loyal following. Harley Davidson is noted for a style of customization that gave rise to the chopper motorcycle style. The company traditionally marketed heavy-weighted air-cooled cruiser motorcycles with engine displacements greater than 700 cubic centimeters, but it has broadened its offerings to include more contemporary motorcycles in 2002 and middleweight street motorcycles in 2015. And for further information on Harley-Davidson, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 1/18 scale diecast motorcycle that is featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And be it the season of Christmas, I'll be giving away a couple of 1/18 scale premium Harley Davidson motorcycles each week till the end of this Christmas special series. And all you have to do to get one of these amazing replicas is to subscribe to Dnation, like and share this video, and follow our official Instagram, links in the description below. So hurry up and get your Harley now. And I want to take this opportunity to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback. This is much appreciated. And I'm wishing you all a beautiful Christmas season. Kindly continue to support Dnation and stay tuned for all new episodes coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.